A lot of you have been asking lately about making waves and some sort of texture in longer hair for men with using sea salt spray, specifically my tidal wave. That's what I'm doing for you today. So I'm gonna be doing half or just a section of this mannequin's hair right here. This is all pretty much one length. I have never cut this mannequin, so I wanna show you the opportunities that you have and the way you can make this have some sort of texture and movement even while the hair is damp. What I suggest doing is always just lightly towel blotting like this. You never want to take a towel and just rough it up. That's just going to start the frizz process. You don't ever want to do that. If you are looking to have your hair look healthier, something that's going to fight the frizz and the static, well, 25 spray, it's like a must-have. This is a multivitamin for your hair, 25 benefits. It's an OG spray. Like, it's been around for a long time. It's my second best seller. Give it a good shake because it's a thicker liquid. And 1, 2, 3 spritzes. You can spray it all over the head if you want. I would then suggest combing this through because this also is great for detangling. And you're gonna feel, it's like, imagine if you take a hand lotion and you put it on your hands and you're like, oh my gosh, my hands were so dry, but this makes my hands feel amazing. That's what 25 spray does. It transforms your hair, okay? So once you get the comb through, this is my anti-static vent brush. It's my favorite brush of all time. This is my own brush. The mold is mine. So I comb it through and now you are not free. Next is tidal wave itself. The good thing about tidal wave and the main benefit is that you don't have to overspray this. Most sea salt sprays out there from other companies or people who aren't even hairstylists, you gotta spray 15, 20 sprays. This, you don't need that much. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3 sprays. That's it. That's all you need, 3 sprays, and once again, comb that through. So now we've got even distribution of 25 spray and tidal wave. Next, the tools. I'm going to be using my blow dryer. This is my ionic blow dryer right here, which comes with the diffuser and it comes with a nozzle, both magnetic. This is ionic, and what you're going to do is you're going to make sure the hair is not dripping wet, soaking wet. Make sure that it's damp, but not just dripping wet, okay? If it is dripping, then just take a towel and lightly, again, blot it. Take the dryer with the diffuser on it, and you're going to then use a technique where you're literally going to be scrunching and then letting the hair settle into the diffuser like this. I'm done with the blow drying process, and now I want to show you the wave and the texture that we got. So as you can see, right, this is with no styling product after. This is just with using Tidal Wave 25 spray and the diffuser on 100% straight hair. There's no real layers to this. There's no, I didn't really do a haircut on this, so some of the ends are a bit fried and stringy, but you could see, talk about texture. You can get that awesome wave. You can get that awesome shape just by using the right products, the right tools, and using the right techniques. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to purchase any of my products, you can use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com.